Okay, everyone, I hope you had a good extra day off. So that just means we're going to push our tests back. Um, Ms. Borowski is your sub today, and I expect to have great behavior and a good report. So what you're going to do first is let's take a look at what we have in Google Classroom. So in Google Classroom in just a bit, you're going to head over for the day, and you will click on classwork like so. And the first thing that I'm going to want you to do is you're going to scroll down to Friday, the 21st, and here's what we're going to do. First of all, your review sheet should be complete and you will turn it in for a grade on Monday. So you're going to hold on to it, don't lose it, just because of the way things changed. The first thing that I want you to do, you have a Chromebook at your seat and you are going to take and you are going to work for about 3 minutes each. You're going to do first this Force and Motion slide deck flashcards and then the other Force and Motion slide deck cards. Then we're going to play a red team versus blue team with your shoulder partner. Instead of it being like we normally do for the regular classes, the winner out of the two will get some bonus points added to your test. And then any extra time, you'll come back into Google Classroom and play this Kahoot review. But I want to make sure we do the red team, blue team, because it is definitely geared towards your test. Make sure you study for your test. That is going to be not tomorrow, but on Monday, obviously. And then any honors kiddos, you're just going to turn in your blue racer sketches to me on Monday when I'm here. So you can click pause now, Miss Borowski, so that the kids can get logged in. And let's just do like 3 minutes for the first Force in Motion set of flashcards, and then we'll do another 3 minutes for the second set. And then we can come back on and I'll give the instructions for red team, blue team. Okay, you should be finished reviewing your flashcards. Now, while Miss Borowski's getting the red team, blue team game up and going, everyone's going to need two sheets of paper. So let's go ahead and get 2 sheets of paper. You will need a calculator. So I have some calculators available to pass out, or you can use the calculator on your phone as long as it's flat on your desk. So let's do that. And Ms. Borowski, if you'll take a look at the screen to find the red team, blue team game, you're going to click on this little agendas. And at the bottom, it says B versus R team unbalanced forces. So you're going to click and open that like so. And then once that's open, you're going to click the little tab, drag this over to the right to the big screen in class. So pretend it's on the big screen now, and you're now using the mouse, and you're going to click slideshow. So everyone now should be having their scratch paper out, and we're going to have blue team versus red team. As you go through this, Ms. Borowski, you're just going to click the button. Okay, everyone, on your paper now, I need you to put your name, and then you and your partner decide what color you're going to be. Are you going to be red or are you going to be blue? Remember, this is a little bit different. So you're going to decide red or blue. One of you's red, one of you's blue. And then you're going to number your paper 1 to 14 because you're going to have 14 answers that you're going to come up with. So if everyone will go ahead and do that, you can click pause on the video. Okay, I think I messed up on the video. I'm going to try to trim that out. So now you are playing against your shoulder partner. So we should have everybody kind of paired up around the room. I'm going to show the first question. You don't want your partner to see your answer because you want to beat them and get the right answer over them. Ms. Borowski, I have the answers on the handouts. so you will be able to tell them the right answer whenever it comes up because it's not going to be in the presentation. So first question, number 1. Which graph shows the motion of an object as it moves at a constant speed? Look at the images and write either A, B, or C. Once you're written, the answer is a graph that shows the motion of an object that is moving at a constant speed is going to be A because this line is at an angle. It's going a certain distance over a certain amount of time. So I want you to check your partners and make sure they're not misgrading and giving themselves credit when they shouldn't have. And Ms. Borowski, you will then just continue to click through the slides as we get to the end, and we'll see who the winner is. They can staple them together, write who the winner is, and the winner will get some extra bonus points added to their test out of the pair when they take their test on Monday. Have a great weekend and best behavior.